There are cars you buy with your head. And then there's this one, the BMW M5 E60. A car that couldn't care less about practicality, the environment, or your wallet. Today we're going to figure out why this sedan from the 2000s still sends shivers down fan spines and makes mechanics weep in horror. Let's go. Let's get straight to the point. Under this hood beats a heart that has no equal in the civilian automotive world. The legendary 5.0-liter S85 V10 engine. 507 horsepower. This isn't just an engine. It's literally a piece of Formula One that the Germans accidentally stuffed into a family sedan. It revs up to a mind-boggling 8,250 revolutions per minute. And my God, the way it sounds. It's not the deep rumble of an American V8 or the whistle of a Japanese turbocharged four-cylinder. It's a wild, piercing scream of fury. For that sound alone, you could forgive the E60 M5 absolutely everything. But there's a flip side to this coin. To handle all this power, the engineers fitted it with an SMG3 automated manual transmission. And there are legends about it. In normal city driving mode, it jerks around as if it were your first day behind the wheel. It literally begs, step on the gas. But switch it to the most aggressive mode, press the M button on the steering wheel, and the M5 turns into a teleport. The gears engage with such force that it feels like a truck has rammed into you from behind. It's pure, unadulterated adrenaline. When Chris Bangle designed this body, people cursed him. But look at it now. More than 20 years have passed, and the E60 still looks modern, predatory, and very bold. True, you have to pay for that boldness. Owning an E60 M5 in 2026 is a special kind of financial masochism. Crankshaft bearings that need to be replaced every 50,000 kilometers, finicky ion sensors, a clutch that has a mind of its own. If you're buying a car like this with your last penny, you're crazy. It can bankrupt you faster than any casino. So why are prices for these classic models only going up these days? Because cars like these will never be made again. Today's super sedans are faster, smarter, and safer. They drive themselves. But the M5 E60 is an honest analog battle. It demands skill. It keeps you on the edge of your seat. It's a monument to an era when engineers were driven by passion, not marketers with calculators. It's the last true M with a naturally aspirated V10. Great and terrifying. Yes, it'll drain you dry, destroy your nervous system, and wipe out your bank account. But believe me, this auditory orgasm is worth every ruble spent. It's a machine that's pure emotion, one that has forever carved its place in history and in the hearts of those who've at least once floored the gas pedal on an empty highway. Today, buying a car like this isn't just a choice of transportation. It's a diagnosis. You're either a madman or a true fan. What do you think of the E60? Is it the best sedan in history or an overrated money pit? Leave a comment, hit like if the sound of the V10 sent shivers down your spine, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next episodes.